Good afternoon, lovely people. Anyone else just get in the mood sometimes to make something random? Just me? Mm. So this is a right-handed, basically balut. Well, yeah, it is a balut. I took a lot of inspiration between biltong knives that are commonly used in South Africa, and you can see here I took inspiration from the Japanese nata. So my grind stops here, and this piece is rounded over. Go and see how that works out. So still got heat treatment to do. This is directly from the baby grinder. I just draw filed my edge, my bevels. You can see it's still, I left it thick behind. There's a bit of warping in that I have to fix out before heat treatment, but that is okay. Did a weird hole pattern here. This hole was already in the steel. So yeah, I think it's gonna work a charm. I'm not planning on selling it really, so I don't care too much about like these nicks. This is directly from the angle grinder. Our Chinese friends make a 240 grit flapper disc, which I did this with, which I do definitely recommend for anyone starting out. You can see there, it's got a nice shine to it. Like for me, starting out, I would be happy with this. I'll probably still do get rid of all this, but I'm happy. Let's see what happens. Have a good one. Peace be with you.